Do you think spirituality is just doing some meditation? Or spirituality for you is reading some books, or doing some actions towards God? Don't you think it's time to completely decipher, completely understand what spirituality is? If you want to completely understand what spirituality is, then you have to see this video till the end. I am Atma Guru Korak Day, so I'll talk to your Atma. Atma is meta soul, beyond soul. And if you are interested in adharma end, dharma win, and in our mission of Kaliyug end and Satyug shine, then you come and join this work which I am doing since August 17th, 1996, after renouncing my military officer's job, which I got by being second in All India merit for clearing SSB. So come and join this work for benefiting humanity. For many people, it's very cool to be a spiritual person. For many people, it's foolish to be spiritual person. Reality. But the reality is, we cannot deny that we have a inner being. We have, like in Sanskrit they say, satta, means we have a inner existence. And this inner existence need to be understood very clearly and precisely. And this could be understood only when you could be, in resonance with these three things. One is body, the other is mind or soul, and the third thing is Atma. Atma is the meta soul. Because this word soul is very a nonsense word when it comes to the Christian way, or the non-existence of soul for the Islamic way. Of course, they have this ruh, but it is the same thing because they are a product of the same mother. And the soul or Atma for the Bharatiya, culture, Bharatiya way of things. So, soul, body is just the physical part, physical aspect of ourselves. Then the mind or soul, what they understand soul as, that is something which we think from, we get emotional from, and we talk, we have stored in our brains for. But the soul, or the Atma to be precise, which I translate as meta soul, means beyond soul, is something which is much more, which is much more. It is something which you are born with. There are some things which you take. For example, you have a body which is not like your parents. Some features match. Then you have the genes. You have some things which you have gained in your life, the education, the cultural setup. Because a child which is born in the womb of a mother, a Islamic mother in a deep forest of Africa, another child which is born out of a Christian mother in somewhere in America, another child which is born to a communist mother in China, and a child that is born in Varanasi, Banaras, Kashi, to a practicing poor Hindu priest. So these children, even if they are bodies, they are just children. All children are same, but they are not same. They have different aspects to their lives. So we have to understand this difference. This difference is of the body, many physical aspects of the body, then the mind aspects of the body, which is actually soul for the Christian background people. And then there is Atma. Atma is a similar thing. Same Atma could be born to the womb of that mother in Banaras, Kashi, or to the Chinese, or to America, or to Africa. There is no difference. The things for which the Atma is born, or the meta soul is born, is the same. The missions are the same. That is what we need to understand, because most of the time people think that if they are born as a Christian, they have a different objective in life. It's true, they have a different objective in life in the body level, in the mind or the soul level, but they have just the same objectives in the Atma level. So spirituality must be having certain aspects of our life. Many years back, when I had started my Gurukul in the slums of Kolkata, that time I had told spirituality has 5 pillars on which spirituality exists on the Atma level. That's why we have this thing called AatmaMarg, or the meta soul path. That is spirituality for a Satyogi or a generation A, Gen A person, or the person who are part of the future-proof generation. So these 5 pillars are love, truth, faith, duty, action. Faith in the middle. So love, truth, faith, duty, actions. And all these things together, when you go in detail, well, if you want to go in detail about these things and know more about these things, then that is the part which I sell, because we do not accept charity and donations from people, and we have a huge family, Selfless Love family, and our missions we have huge missions of reaching out to the whole world and giving them a selfless family, at least to those who are lonely, unloved, unwanted, friendless, etc., and the destitutes who have no one. So this is the basic foundation of spirituality. Spirituality is something which our inner being craves for. And that's why since we are also, our Atmas are also imprisoned by religion, by society, by so many other things. So we are unable to resonate with spirituality, whatever that word spirituality means, which is not actually the right word. Anyways, so we call it AatmaMarg. So AatmaMarg, as I told you, is the path of your Atma or meta soul. So if you want to know more details, then you have to click the link below and we'll take it from there. And of course, you have to pay for it. If you are a Adharmi or a Kali Yugi, then it will be very difficult, this work. But if you are a Satyugi, or you want to be a Satyugi, or you want Dharma to win, then I am the person you were looking for, you were waiting for. So come and click the subscribe button, join this page, and Also press the bell icon. Along with it, see all the videos which are there in this channel and like them, comment on them, and also share them.